Alright, what you need to do is go to this website, durable.co. Now once here, click Generate Your Website. You need to select the type of business you are building. I'm going to go with tutoring. Click Next. Now select your city. Click Next. Now create a name for your business. Okay, once you have the name, click Generate Website. This may take a while. Once your website is ready, you can customize it. Simply go up here and click Customize. If you don't have an account yet or haven't logged in, you will need to do so. Once you log in, as you can see here, you can change color, fonts, and other styles with this button. You can click and customize elements easily. You can add new sections. You can quickly change sections. You can manage your pages here. And you can publish your website or preview it here. Now click Done. This is how our website is looking so far without any customization. It even comes with reviews from people that don't exist. When you click on an element, you'll see this menu here to customize it. For example, if you want to customize what is written here, simply change it here. I'm just writing whatever comes. With images as well, simply click on them and you can replace them. To publish, click this button, go to Publish, click Save, and the website has been saved. You'll get a link here. To upgrade and get a professional domain, simply click View Plans, and you're done.